How to set side button double press to open magnifier on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. So you will see advanced features is here, so click on advanced features. Now here, so click on side button. So after click on side button, click on double press. So you will select long press and double press. So after select double press, so if you want to set side button to double press to open magnifier, so you will see magnifier here, so click on magnifier. So after click on magnifier, go back to home screen and double press side button. You will see magnifier is open. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set side button to double press to open magnifier on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.